Okay.
Okay.
Let's get this started.
Wait until right day. The day?
It's not day.
Is it turning night
Yeah,
or
it's
turning
more or
day?
less day.
Oh fuck, I can't see where it's at. I have to be clear.
Okay, we'll wait.
He says it's between the where we've already gone, between the sea bridges and like this island.
Okay, we're in the sea bridges.
No, we're not. But like the deep,
We're
not
not in the
like
sea
deep sea
bridges.
bridges, but like where it starts to go down where the big boys are.
Yeah. The big scary boys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And there's supposedly
Oh
there's
yeah,
three
it's going
right
there.
there. Okay, wait till morning we'll go.
What can we make in the meantime? Maybe more batteries, right?
Yeah.
This has power, this has power. Wait, this has power? I thought I took the battery out of this. Oh yeah. We need to build a base. You know, so we can charge up our batteries. Do we have enough for a second? Oh yes, we do. Okay. I'm gonna go make a second battery. And then we're gonna be all good.
God damn, that fucking video scared me.
Dude, I despise the ocean. Like...
Yeah, no, so do I. It's fucking dumb.
One of my crippling fears, the ocean.
It's just 'cause, like, you can look down and you can't see the bottom. Anything can be down there, dude.
Dude, I hate
That's what
that.
fucks me
Oh
off.
god, there's lightning.
Just knowing that, like, a fucking 20-foot shark could just be like, oh, look, yonk.
You're in such a vulnerable... It's literally like, you can never be more vulnerable than you are in the ocean.
You can't fight in the ocean, dude.
Yeah, you can't do shit. You can't fight. You could barely, like, turn around. It's hard to turn around.
What is it, like, 5 pounds? Well, I guess it depends on your strength, but, like, around 5-10 pounds is gonna make you drown? Like, it's not that much, dude.
Like 5 or 6. For, like, a normal boy. For a well-fit boy.
I ain't no well-fit boy.
And I ain't no well-fit boy. Okay, I'm thirsty.
Make a battery?
I made 2.
Oh, yeah. Okay. You need professional. But at least you got the upgrades, right, in that. I think you'll need one other one, right? Oh, wait, actually, one of the ones.
I think I got them all. For the sea
you?
truck?
Yeah, both of them? There's 2 different ones.
Yeah, I got the storage and the... I thought I got the other one.
We'll see.
I'm not the fabricator or whatever?
Yeah, I think you're one off on the fabricator.
Or it might be one off from that. God. Having never played like the first Subnautica...
Yeah, I only watched videos.
Dude, I fucking hate playing horror
Dude,
games too.
actually I played a little bit, but I couldn't get that far past the first point because I played in VR, remember?
Dude, it's just like, I feel so vulnerable in the ocean. You could be attacked from literally all directions. You're not like on land and you can't be like, something can't come up and grab you. You know, you have one playing field. You have one field of view you have to worry about. But not with this one. You have to fucking worry about everything, every way.
Vital signs stabilizing.
Okay, I'm good on water. Maybe we'll grab a couple more. We'll wait until day. And we should be fine.
It's actually not that far.
Not that far?
No, it's like where you've gone before on the, it's apparently just right on the edge of, like, you know, that one area like we were thinking it was in, except in a certain spot. We just didn't go to that spot where it's at.
Okay. Is it the one I've already gotten before?
No. No, there should be, he says there's 3 right next to each other, but he is in an older version, so let's hope they're still there.
Okay. Let's get this bread, boys. Let's get this bread, brother. Are we good on food? I'll cook up a fish here too. This sea truck better be a serious upgrade. Where do we even go?
Oh, I don't even know, dude.
Like, the only place I know is like that volcanic place. And that just seems fucked. What do we do in the meantime? Okay, we have that. Sea glider up and ready. Is it daytime?
Oh, the
yet?
turning day? Oh, whoa.
Sick. Great view out.
It's
Why
hard to
is it
tell
orange?
where it's at when it's
The
fucking...
weather's all fucky, dude. Like, what? It's like half orange. There you go. It's orange out.
Oh, wow.
Then-
Okay. You can actually, if you go back where you were, you can see where you need to go.
Alright, this is
Go to
my
your
base.
pod. Go to your pod.
Pod is here.
Yeah,
I
we're gonna
don't
start
have
from
the
your pod.
directional thing.
Doesn't matter, we're
Compass,
just gonna
that's
start
what it's called.
from your pod. It's alright. Look up. Go up. Oh.
Look up.
Yeah, oh, is it clear? Up there? Oh, fuck.
Oh, it's clearing up. Oh yeah, it's clearing up.
Okay, I think it's that way. Oh, yeah, you see that island? Straight?
That
right?
island?
That one. Yep.
What if I just travel on the surface?
You could, but you just don't want to miss. That one.
I don't
Use your
want to
sea
go,
glider.
Alex. I really don't.
Just make sure you
Look
keep
at the 2D
going
fish.
towards that island, though.
Even these guys make sound and it scares me. Okay, we're going this way. We're not moving.
Use your sea glider.
I guess I can. I made 2 batteries.
Don't go down, though. Stay next to the surface.
Okay. It's all green. That looks cool.
So we're going on the edge of this. The rocks. Keep going. It's gonna be before you go into that one spot.
Okay, there's the big boys.
Yeah. Keep going.
Let me get
Go up.
closer to the
See where you're
surface.
at compared to it.
See where am I compared to the island?
Oh, fuck.
Nice
Yeah.
view. Can I cheat it? No.
Ah. You go down. Just keep going straight.
We're going straight. I hear a lot of
Before you
roaring.
get to the...
Okay, there's the volcano place.
Okay, yeah, it should be between those two.
Like right
So
here.
look right, yeah, around there.
Alex, there's the big guys. Alex, no. Okay, if I hear
around.
roaring, I'm running. Oh, the sound. The sound kicked
Look
in.
for it.
God. Dude, oh, is that it?
Might be it. Oh, that might be the last piece, dude. I think that is.
Oh, let's go. Modelo time.
Modelo time. Wait, go back. Hurry and go to the
I wanna go
surface.
back. Okay, surface.
Hit tab. Just see if you have the frag or the other one, because there should be another piece around there.
The what?
The research for the
Was I in the right place?
yeah,
Yeah, right there.
but the upgrades.
I know I got one of them.
I don't know how to see the upgrades. Click it. Click the see trucks.
Oh, that just pins it.
Oh, how the fuck do you see the? Oh, wait, oh wait, maybe you do have it then. I guess we'll see later. I don't know. We can always go back, I guess.
Yeah. I don't want to be out here longer than I have to.
Got it though, Caleb.
Dude, I look at just. Oh God. I hate how you can't see as I. It's like there's fog around you.
Yeah. The fog of war.
God. I feel so helpless in the water.
At least we finally got that shit, dude.
And does it like sound travel better in underwater?
No,
Is
it
that a
sounds
thing?
worse.
Oh. Well, that's even worse.
Yeah, I mean it's way louder.
That means when like you hear anything, it's gotta be like right fucking next to you. God, and the roars. And these guys look. They're cute and all, but like when they're underwater, like it's nighttime. They're the scariest ones here. Why can't it just be a land game? Subnautica, the land game. Okay. Oh. There we go. What do we need?
What do you got?
What do we need? We need titanium ingot, advanced wiring kit, glass, lead, and a power cell. I got the power cell. Okay, we're going one at a time. Salt. Okay, 2 lead. I need 1 more quartz. I think it's up here. There we go. No quartz.
Glass diamond.
Glass. Okay, we need 3 more quartz. Now where are quartz found again? Just somewhere at the bottom? Oh yeah. 1, 2, we just need 1 more. Three. There we go. There we go. Glass. We need 3 lead.
Oh, you need 2. Oh, you got enough glass.
Okay, glass done. How do we make the plasteel ingot? Or whatever. Titanium. 5 titanium. We need 1 more. I think we had 1 more upstairs. Or up. Locker. Up storage. Yep, we're good. Okay. That's that. We have a power cell somewhere around here. Where'd my power cell go? Didn't I make one?
Oh, well, yeah, you did make a power cell.
It's on the side of it. No.
Did you lose it when you died?
It was in my base. I don't think unless you lose stuff that's in your storage.
Oh, oh, is it right?
No, that's
Like
better.
third. Oh.
I guess we'll make a new one. Power cell. We need silicone rubber, which we
Oh, you
have 2
do
of.
make it.
Okay, let's make a. I don't know why sometimes it's asking, sometimes it's not. Power cell. Now we need a wiring kit. Is it advanced wiring kit? I think it is. Which we need a normal wiring kit for, which we need silver for. And I don't think we have silver, bub.
Bub. Don't call me Bub.
I'll call you bub. Why did I say bub? Does silver come from this? Titanium. Cranium. Branium. Demo time. Sustaining. Copper. More cop. Trying to steal my knife. This. Sea glides are everywhere, Alex.
Where you going? So you need, what was it again?
I need silver.
Silver? That's all you need? And titanium, right? 1 titanium?
No, I'm going titanium. I need silver.
Was it in the... Was silver in the tunnels or no?
It might have been. I might have to go deep. I'm not getting my knife. Oh, cleared up. Okay. This is a tunnel. Have I been in this tunnel? I think I have. They lead immediately out to a different.
Epic, dude.
Sick tunnel. You think they're down here? I'm only going down here. I'm this far away from base. Modelo time.
Motello time.
Modelo time.
Well, you didn't pick up that titanium.
I don't need it. I have so much. I'll take
Yeah,
the
you
copper
do.
though. No, I
Or-
don't.
What do you need then? What's that other third thing you need?
I need. That's a lead.
Oh.
I need one. Oh. Is he angry at me? Oh, yes, he is. He's an angry boy, Alex. Oh, there's another one angry at me. Oh, God. I hate their noises. Can you stop? Thanks. Okay, let's go a little deeper. Where there's less activity. Oh, God. Why does this game exist? Copper. Quartz.
I think after you get the sea truck, they should probably make a base.
You think? Yeah, probably just to make the battery, and I can start. Oh, silver.
Oh, silver.
I need one more, I think. I see their shadows, and that scares me. I need to check, like, what they come out of. I think limestone just has titanium. You know? This stuff.
Oh, yeah, I was gonna see. Titanium,
Never
damn.
mind. This stuff. Never mind. Let's go this way. Have I been down here? Yeah, I have.
Oh, this one's to the right.
This?
Left. Oh. That's how smooth one. Okay, time.
Oh, lead. That's
Oh,
my
there's
last
that
piece
lead.
of lead. Sick cave. I think it's longer.
Oh, oh.
Old. I should just be doing this. I don't know why I have my knife out.
Yeah, that's true. A lot faster. Oh, there's another one right there.
Yeah, I don't know if blood comes out of these.
You don't, well, you need silver, right?
Yeah, no, yeah, I need silver. I mean, that's fine. I don't know if silver comes out of those. Titanium
Where'd you get the other
sure
silver
does.
out of?
I don't know. I didn't check.
I think it was those smooth ones. That's all.
Is this crystalline
I think that's sulfur. Yeah.
This is a pretty decent sized cave.
Oh, there you
It's
go.
the agentite. I think that's all I need. How do I get out of here?
Oh, you're like 200 meters deep.
Yeah, we're going deep. Oh, I don't like this, Alex. Modelo time. Sea truck time. You already have a sea truck, Alex?
Truck.
Sea truck.
30 seconds.
I'm dying. Do you think that's just on texture, Brock?
I don't. Yeah, I think that's just a glitched out text. Yeah, I think it is a glitched out texture.
That looks weird. My feet are freezing, dude. What was that sound?
Oh, you know.
Can't this go like any faster? I feel like you could make this go pretty fucking fast. Did you see that there's a sport? You know those like toy like harpoons or yeah.
Yeah, there's a sport where like they have to get to a goal, but they can wrestle each other.
Oh yeah, like underwater. Why?
Yeah.
Oh, I made that one. Oh no, I didn't.
Oh, I think that's
I
it.
need a computer chip, which I
Oh.
need. Fuck.
Oh, you have enough copper though. You just need.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
you could
grabbed
have grabbed
one,
one more when
too.
you're over there.
I didn't know I need another one. I was like, coral table.
You have one?
Yeah, I have one. Oh yeah, I
I
probably
mean,
should
like
check
in your
if
base. Yeah, before you go.
I actually have one. I don't think I do. I can't. Dude, why is it tab and ESC? It's S stands out of the crafting table and tab takes it out of everything else.
Nope.
No, I don't.
Looks like you gotta take a trip
Nice.
back now.
Modelo time. It's getting nighttime too. I feel like it's in the deeper parts, right? I might have to go like all the way back. Why, Alex? Why is this game not optimized?
Yeah, it's.
Is that the problem? Because it's not optimized?
What do you mean?
Like,
Yeah,
will I
probably.
lag when I come out? How do you even optimize a game?
So like
Oh, you bitch! Get away from me.
your code, you do like you make your, so like there's different ways to code like a single thing, you know,
Yeah.
and you find the others one to your left.
All right.
There.
Sorry, that guy scared me. I saw my flashlight.
There's multiple ways to code something, and to optimize it is to make your CPU it's the fastest
So it's like the
possible, or not the fastest possible way. There's probably always a faster way, but a faster way than what you first did. You know.
So it's
So it's like.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Okay, so I was
Think
gonna
like-
say, is it like having the least amount of code to do something?
Sort of, because you can have like more code, but it would still take less time. You know.
So it's like the.
It's just like how certain things run your CPU. You know.
I feel like that'd be hard though. No, you would
Yeah,
have like
very.
sort through all your code.
It's kind of think of it as like a
better
like
way.
writing a paper and then like that's your rough draft and then going through and fixing everything. That's kind of what that is. You know.
So you're
Getting everything to work.
First, you're doing it to just get it to work, and then
Yeah. Then you can find better ways to do it.
I think it's officially Modelo. No, now it's officially Modelo time.
Modelo, you gotta go to your thing that you made though.
Okay. Wait 1 second.
What?